Lesson 3. Learn about Windows 10. Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating systems used these days. It is developed by Microsoft. It provides graphical user interface, icons, menus, dialog boxes, etc. to communicate with the computer system. You can enter commands into the computer by making just few clicks. For example, to open the This PC window, you just need to double-click the This PC icon on the desktop. There are many versions of Windows such as Windows 95, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. In this chapter, we will discuss Windows 10 operating system. Introduction. Windows 10. Windows 10 was released on July 29, 2015. This version of Windows can receive all the new updates. It can run on desktop computers, laptops as well as tablets. Windows 10 is released with many useful and interesting features. It includes the best features of both Windows 7 and Windows 8. It is more attractive as compared to the previous versions of Windows. It has an improved search tool, Cortana. It helps you find information on your system as well as on the internet. It provides a Windows Store application where you can find free apps, games and songs. Components of desktop window. The desktop window consists of various parts. Let us discuss them in detail. Icons. The small pictures present on the desktop are known as icons. They represent a file, a folder or a program. To open an icon, double-click on it, selecting and deselecting an icon. To select an icon, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the mouse pointer over the icon. Step 2. Click on it. A square-shaped box surrounds the icon. This shows that the icon is selected. To deselect an icon, follow these steps. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon. Step 2. Click the left mouse button anywhere else. The box around the icon disappears. This shows that the icon is deselected. Moving the icons. If you want to move the icons from one place to another, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the mouse pointer over the icon you want to move. Step 2. Click and drag the icon to a new place. Step 3. Release the mouse button. The icon is placed at the new location. Taskbar. The long bar present at the bottom of the desktop is known as the taskbar. It contains the Start button. Type here to search box. Task View button. Icons for open and pinned programs, the notification area, system date and time, notifications, and show desktop. Let us discuss these parts in detail. Start button and Start menu. In Windows 10, the Start menu, earlier present in Windows 7, has been reintroduced to launch the apps. It also displays the tiles for apps and live tiles on the right side. The Start menu is also used to shut down, restart or sleep your computer. The Start menu appears when you click the Start button present on the left corner of the taskbar. Type here to search box. This box allows to search anything within your computer or from the internet. You can simply type your keywords in the search box and get the results of your search. Task View. The Task View feature makes it easy to manage multiple windows at the same time. It helps you to quickly switch between the open windows. Task View. You can click the Task View button on the taskbar to see all of your running apps and programs. Click on any of these apps to open it. Icons for open and pinned programs. These icons are present in the middle section of the taskbar. They represent the programs that can be opened or launched with a single click. The taskbar also shows the icons for the programs that are currently open. Notification area. This area consists of a group of icons that shows the status and notifications of the computer. It also displays the current time and date, which can be changed as and when required. You can also change the volume of the speakers using the volume icon present here. You can also see new notifications related to the system. Show Desktop. Although there is no actual Show Desktop button in Windows 10, but the extreme right area on the taskbar still functions as Show Desktop. When you click this area, it minimizes all opened windows and makes the desktop visible. When you click it again, all the minimized windows are restored. Changing the position of the taskbar. The taskbar can be placed at any position, right, left, bottom or top of the screen. To change the position of the taskbar, follow these steps. Step 1. Right-click on the blank space on the taskbar and uncheck the Lock the Taskbar option from the shortcut menu that appears. Step 2. Drag the mouse pointer to any position of the computer screen, left, right, top or bottom. The taskbar will be moved to that position of the computer screen. Changing the position of the taskbar. Pinning a program in Windows 10 means to create a shortcut to it on the taskbar so that you can open it without having to search for it or scroll through all the apps list. To pin a shortcut, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Start button. The Start menu appears. Step 2. Move the mouse pointer to the desired program in the list and right-click on it. Step 3. Point to More option and then click Pin to Taskbar option from the sub-menu that appears. The program icon is added to the taskbar. Desktop background. The background picture of the desktop is known as the desktop background. It is also called wallpaper. To change the wallpaper, follow these steps. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Step 2. Click on the Personalize option. The settings window appears, showing the preview of the current background of the desktop in the right pane of the window. Step 3. Click the drop-down arrow of the background list box in the right pane and select any option: Picture, Solid Color or Slideshow. From the list appears. Let's select the Picture option. Step 4. Select any picture from the Choose Your Picture section. Step 5. If you want to use an image stored in your computer as the desktop background, click the Browse button. The Open dialog box appears. Step 6. Locate the desired picture and click the Choose Picture button. The preview of the new desktop background can be seen in the right pane of the settings window. Step 7. Click the Close button to close the settings window. The selected picture is selected as the new desktop background. Tiles. When you click the Start button, you will see many tiles display on the right side of the Start menu. Some of these tiles are Calendar, Weather, Skype, News, etc. These program tiles are called apps. Screensaver. A screensaver or screensaver is a computer program that displays moving images or patterns on the computer screen when the computer is on but not in use for some time. To change the screensaver, follow these steps. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and click on the Personalize option from the shortcut menu that appears. The settings window opens up. Step 2. Select the Lock Screen option from the left pane of the window. Step 3. Scroll down the vertical scroll bar and select the Screensaver Settings option at the bottom. The Screensaver Settings dialog box appears. Step 4. Select the screensaver of your choice from the Screensaver list box. Step 5. Set the time at which you want the screensaver to appear in the Wait box. Step 6. You can preview the effect of the screensaver by clicking on the Preview button. Step 7. Once you are done, click on Apply and then click OK. Quick recap. An operating system is the most important software that manages all the activities of a computer. Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system. Windows 10 is one of the latest versions of the Microsoft Windows. When you switch on the computer, it loads the operating system into the computer's memory. This process is called booting. The desktop contains many parts such as the taskbar, icons, start button, desktop background, etc. The small pictures present on the desktop are known as icons. The long bar present at the bottom of the desktop is known as the taskbar. The background picture of the desktop is known as the desktop background. A screensaver or screensaver is a computer program that displays moving images or patterns on the computer screen when the computer is on but not in use for some time.